Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. High-tech style and interior design embraces cutting-edge technology and modern aesthetics to create sleek, futuristic, and functional spaces. Inspired by the advancements in technology and the digital age, this style prioritizes clean lines, minimalism, and innovative materials to craft a space that feels both sophisticated and efficient. One of the key features of high-tech interior design is the seamless integration of technology into the living space. Smart home automation systems allow for the control of lighting, heating, cooling, and entertainment with just a touch of a button or a voice command. Hidden wiring and built-in speakers maintain a clutter-free appearance, emphasizing the sleek and polished look of the space. The color palette in high-tech interiors often revolves around neutral tones, such as whites, grays, and blacks. These hues create a clean and uncluttered backdrop that allows the technology and design elements to shine. Pops of vibrant colors or metallic accents may be used sparingly to add visual interest and contrast to the space. Furniture in the high-tech style typically features sleek and minimalist designs. Clean lines, smooth surfaces, and geometric shapes are common characteristics. Furniture pieces may be constructed from modern materials like glass, metal, or acrylic, enhancing the high-tech aesthetic. Modular and multifunctional furniture designs are also prevalent, maximizing space efficiency and adaptability. Lighting is a crucial element in high-tech interiors. Recessed or track lighting with dimming capabilities is often used to create the desired ambience and highlight architectural features. LED strip lights can be incorporated into the design to add a futuristic glow or create an illusion of floating elements. High-tech light fixtures with modern and innovative designs serve both as functional lighting sources and striking focal points in the space. Materials play a significant role in high-tech interior design. Sleek and reflective surfaces, such as glass, stainless steel, or polished stone, add to the modern and futuristic feel. High-quality synthetic materials, like acrylic and plastic, are often used for their durability and ability to convey a sense of innovation. Exposed concrete or industrial-style elements may also be incorporated to add a touch of edginess to the space. High-tech interiors emphasize organization and functionality. Ample storage solutions, like built-in cabinets or hidden compartments, help maintain the clean and uncluttered appearance. Furniture with hidden compartments or integrated charging stations for electronic devices adds convenience and practicality to the design. Art and decorative elements in high-tech interiors often reflect the technology theme. Abstract art, digital prints, or art installations that incorporate technology and interactive elements are common choices. Decorative objects and accessories are kept to a minimum to maintain the streamlined and modern. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!